ChatGPT is an incredible tool that can enhance your productivity and creativity, and I'm excited to share how you can get access of ChatGPT almost free. Getting access to premium AI tools can be really tough, and it often comes with a hefty price tag. Many people feel overwhelmed by the costs associated with these tools, and it can be frustrating when you're trying to find a way to make them work for you. The costs can add up quickly, and it's easy to get discouraged when you're not seeing the results you want. People are searching for ways to access these tools without breaking the bank, and it's becoming a major hurdle for those who want to use them. To get access of ChatGPT, you'll need to follow these steps. First of all, open your browser and search buyarefs.com. Now click on Sign Up page. See, there are multiple tools available, such as ahrefs, semrush, Envato Elements, Word Hero, Mars, Ubersuggest, ChatGPT, etc. In this video, I am telling you how to get ChatGPT almost for free. So just select Chat. Scroll down and fill your details. Now you will see a coupon code option. Just enter a coupon code to get additional discount. Coupon code is CHATGPT, and you will see you will get additional 20% extra discount. See the pricing, this is most affordable price compared to the official website. Now select Payment Gateway. In this case, I am selecting PayPal to make payment. If you are from India, you will get phone payment option. Or you can also select offline payment method and contact with them to ask payment method for your currency. Now click on Next. Enter your details and make the payment. Let me fast forward the video after to make payment and show you how ChatGPT works. I am in the dashboard of my account, and you will see after making payment I will get ChatGPT option. Click on it. Now click to Access Now button. Wait for 5 seconds and you will see ChatGPT website open. You don't need to install any extensions or wait for OTP. It opened just in one click. Let me ask something from ChatGPT and show you. Now, that's it for today. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the YouTube channel for upcoming amazing videos like this.